today very different than what we've been seeing out there, Dave.
Yeah, yesterday we felt like already 110 degrees at lunchtime. Big difference out there now, mainly cloud cover, but also our front coming in. You can see from our BJCC camera, plenty of clouds downtown. Right now it's 83 degrees with a west-northwest wind. Dew point 71, not in the upper 70s. And the heat index only 88 degrees right now. It's kind of bearable, if you will, out there. You can see a live look at the radar. Pretty quiet here until you get up towards, say, Calhoun County and heading points off toward Cleburne County as well, too. It's 86 in Anniston, 85 Talladega, Alabaster, 84. But look at Coleman and Hamilton, 79 degrees out there at this hour. That's pretty nice. The storms here kind of working their way through Anniston, Weaver, back toward Jacksonville and Jacksonville State. So for the students up there, be aware of that. A couple showers near the Talladega area as well, too. But tracking this one cluster out here, it gets over toward the Cleburne area there around 12:19. Edwardsville around 12:26. Over toward Piney Woods at 12:31. And over toward, say, Abernathy around 12:37. So that's going to continue on its track off to the east and eventually into Georgia. Not really much of rain behind it here as this front kind of sags its way through the area. Surface fronts to our south, but this lingering kind of mid-level front moving through, and that's the kind of leading edge of that drier, less humid air we've been talking about. And you can see this on water vapor, moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. There you see that's where the front's located, right through Birmingham here. But Nashville, Memphis already seeing that drier, less humid air, and that will work its way southward throughout the day today, and we'll start feeling that especially by tomorrow morning. So this afternoon, only 84 by 1 o'clock, 85 by 4 o'clock today. By 7 o'clock, 77 degrees. Maybe good for a walk and run this evening or any kids' practices they have after school. We'll get to 87 from Anniston, Talladega, Alabaster, and Birmingham today. Jasper around 85, maybe 89 Tuscaloosa. Clanton and Alex City may get in the 90s today. And you can see the heat index still expected to be in the 100s since it'll take a while for that front to get in here. But look at the heat index only in Hamilton, 85 this afternoon. Now that's pretty nice. So Futurecast will show again a couple of those showers and storms continuing to march their way off into Georgia here this afternoon. And then we'll see if gradual cloud clearing out there by 5 o'clock. It'll be pretty nice out there this evening by 7 o'clock as that drier air starts moving in. And that'll continue overnight into your Wednesday morning. We'll start off with a clear start out there and actually maybe a little chill, if you will, into the air considering how humid it's been here of late. Still have the humidity this afternoon, but as that drier air builds in, check it out. It's going to stick around through Thursday, stick around through Friday, even on into Saturday, still kind of sticking around here, but notice the humid weather starting to come back up from the south. So check out the low temperatures tonight when this dry air comes in. How about 61 Coleman, 64 Birmingham, Alabaster, Jasper at 63, same for Talladega to Anniston, Clanton, Moundville, 64 degrees. Normally we should be 72 degrees. We do rebound tomorrow back in the 80s, but 85. Normally we should be about 91 degrees, so it'll look pretty nice out there for your Wednesday. By the way, quick look at the tropics, watching two features, two waves out here, one coming off of Africa and another one kind of dealing with a lot of dry air. We'll need to keep an eye on these now that it's August 15th. Between now and October 15th, usually the time of year we really start to have to keep an eye on the tropics for the next 2 months. But fortunately, nothing to worry about in the next 7 to 10 days. So 87 today, but how about these lows in the 60s all the way there through Friday morning? Over the weekend, unfortunately, heat's back up into the mid-90s and the heat index back around 100.